Hi, my name is Mary Hill, and welcome to my newest listing at 6705 Ruffner Avenue, located on a picturesque tree-lined street in fabulous Lake Balboa. This home has a wonderful flowing floor plan, including a living room with original hardwood floors, an open concept kitchen, and a light, bright, and spacious family room, complete with wood-burning fireplace and doors to the backyard. The generous primary bedroom has a separate retreat area and French doors leading to the backyard. The garage has been finished off with drywall, wood paneling, insulation, painted beam ceilings, and a mini split system for heating and cooling. A sparkling pool, spa, and multiple areas for entertaining round out the backyard. Thank you for joining me on a tour of this delightful home. Feel free to reach out for more information or to request a tour.